Hello, church family of First Baptist Oviedo. This is Dan Lehman, Minister of Worship Arts. It's Thursday afternoon, and we're 3 days away from the Christmas Letters. The Christmas Letters is a musical production put on by the Worship Arts Ministry. It involves the band, the choir, the orchestra, praise team. It involves a special array of effects and a wonderful stage setting and designed from our Technical Arts Ministry. Folks have been working hard for the last 2 weeks to bring it all together this Sunday, 3:30 and 6 p.m. Christmas in 3 days from today. We're going to present the meaning, the significance, the message, the music of Christmas right here in our worship center. And I really want to encourage you to take a ticket. This ticket we've been handing out for several weeks. We're going to have more of them available this Sunday morning at the end of both worship services. Many of you already have several of these. Take one, hand it to a friend, a neighbor, a relative, and invite them to come at 3:30 and 6 p.m. this coming Sunday afternoon and evening for one of the performances. You will not be disappointed. It'll be a wonderful, blessed time to enjoy Christmas, and it'll be a lot of fun. You'll really enjoy it. Even after the Christmas Letters is finished, this ticket is still important. They don't have to have this ticket to get into the performance on Sunday. They just need to know what times to come and where it's all located. But when the Christmas Letters is finished, simply turn the card over and continue to hand that out and to point that out that on Christmas weekend, Saturday, Christmas Eve, 3:30 and 5 o'clock, we have two different options for candlelight Christmas Eve services. And then, of course, Christmas Day. This year, Christmas Day falls on Sunday, so we're going to have one great church family Christmas service combined all together at 10:30 a.m. on Christmas Sunday. So get the ticket. 3 days from now, there's Christmas Letters, 3:30 and 6 p.m. And then for the entire holiday of Christmas, there's 3 important days this Sunday, December 11th, as well as December 24th, Christmas Eve, and then Christmas Day on Sunday this year. God bless you. I hope you're having a great week. We'll look forward to seeing you all in worship together as one church family this coming Lord's Day. God bless.